Good morning, my family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make marshmallow with chocolate sandwich, and we'll see if this is good for breakfast. With coffee, I think it's very good. But because I love marshmallow and chocolate, so we'll find out if this is good, and we will see if my husband will eat it. Okay, these are the ingredients, so it's very easy because only this. So we have, of course, like I said, the marshmallow cream, and then we have the chocolate chips, the butter, and the sliced bread. Okay, guys, the next step is spread the marshmallow cream into your bread, and then put the chocolate chips on top, and then you can grill it in the pan. See, just like that. First, the marshmallow sandwich. You heat that in the pan.